Hello guys, we have it here, the pretty and vibrant color, gorgeous like a unicorn, succulents named Cotyledon Orbiculata Variegated. And this is one of the hottest, rarest, and the most intriguing plants of the succulent world. And in my own opinion guys, this is maybe because it is very pricey one and tough to import. This one is originated in southern tip of Africa. Their leaves can be short, fat, or very oblong to large one, and depending on the species also. A bit of advice guys, if you order these plants, try to order in fall, autumn, or early spring because this plant is dormant when it is summer. So just to avoid wasting our money because it is a bit pricey, so we better make sure that we order in the right season and right temperature. In addition guys, I prepared to order the rooted one, although it is more expensive but it is safe. Unlike the cutting one, less expensive but it is risky. So if you want to invest your money, just make it sure it is rooted one. These plants are winter growers, so it means to say in summer they are sleeping and in winter they are active and they grow fast. So they prepare a temperature of 65 to 75 Fahrenheit. But here in some colder place, they're okay with those cold winter as long as they are inside the house. When it comes to summer, because they are sleeping in summer, they are dormant, so we have to try to give them less water for them. We don't want them to sit in the water that cause them rot. We have to treat them like the other succulents like echeveria, just mild temperature, and it's better just to give a full sun in the morning and late sun in the afternoon to have a good color, and they provide those vibrant color as what we expected. And now let's talk about our soil. I did extra precaution because this is pricey one, so I did sterilize my soil through microwave. You can also use the oven 30 minutes, or you can use the steam one, but me I prepare the microwave 3 to 4 minutes just to kill those bacteria, funguses, and any insect in your soil, just to make it sure your microwave is in full power to 3 to 4 minutes. As usual, we're gonna use the fast draining soil. 70% I mix the pumice, perlite, and small stones, and 30% of the succulent mix. So I just put my little pretty succulent there and put those dirt on it, and that it is. And after I pot it, I wait 1 week before I water it. I gave just a bit of water, like 15 to 20 ml, just around those plants, not in the roots. So I have a bit of technique I'm gonna show you in this video. So that one is a straw. I cut the straw and put it under the soil where beside the roots is. So in that purpose, the water will be directly in the roots, so just to avoid those root rot. So that is the fastest way. It's very cool, right? It is good idea also if you have the syringe. It is fastest way, just inject the water under the soil and it's good one. Just continue those watering 15 to 20 ml until it completely adjusts until 2 months. So after that you can regularly water them. So the technique is full water and also dry it completely before you water it again. And just to understand this kind of plants, each succulents have their different growing cycle as what we know and observe. I am not a pro, I am disclaimer, but that is how I learn I search it and we're gonna apply it to make our succulent healthy and to avoid killing them. Because this is newly planted, we try to avoid direct sunlight. So no direct sunlight and no warm wind for this plant. We don't need to worry if we don't water this 1 to 2 weeks because they are good in storing water. That is their advantages. So because this plant came from desert place, so they are good in thriving. So the question is how to stress them. So before I stress my plants, I'm gonna make it sure that my plants are in good condition because at this time it is newly planted. I want to make it sure that they have a good rooting system, in good health, and already adjust and acclimate in our weather conditions. So after that, I can give them a lot of stress and give those extremely sun actually not very extreme, so we have those schedule how many hours we need to put them under the sun so that they can release those vibrant color. And also there are different way of stressing our plants, and in my own opinion it also applicable in this kind of plant, Cotyledon Orbiculata variegated, that in my experience I did less water and more sun, so that they can release those vibrant color. So I'm gonna apply that in these plants also. Yeah, I really don't want to kill these plants because it is pricey, and I'm gonna do all my best to give this pretty plant their needs. In addition, guys, it is winter in our place, so I put all my succulents inside our house. So I'm using a grow light just to provide their needs and to have a good shape of their stem and leaves so that it will not be insulated. That's all for today's video, guys. Hopefully you like it and get some information that applies to you, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.